Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a long-range look at any weather worries that we may have from now through most of next week. And you can see, looking at the weather pattern during the next 10 days, upper-level ridging will maintain its grip on our weather, minus a slight chance for some rain on Wednesday. The most of this week is looking rather dry as that ridge kind of settles over us. It will eventually develop more westward as we move through this weekend, and that will allow the chance for the occasional scattered shower and thunderstorm to develop across the region. That chance will begin on Sunday and could continue off and on through most of next week, the way it looks right now across the Arklatex. As far as my level of worries this week, not really worried too much. Again, just a few isolated thunder showers, severe weather looking doubtful. We will see a possibility for an isolated strong to severe storm next week with the scattered thunderstorms and temperatures pretty close to 90. I'd put my level of worry at 3 out of 10 for next week. That being said, rainfall could also eventually become an issue during the next 7 days. Weather Prediction Center shows amounts over most of the Arklatex will be below an inch, but if you factor in what could happen during the middle and last half of next week, we could be looking at 10-day rainfall totals in the range of 1 to 2 inches over East Texas and Northwest Louisiana, and 2.5 to upwards of 5 inches of rain possible over the north and northwestern sections of the area. So again, it does look like the possibility for some heavy rain on the distant horizon. Keep in mind, most of this rain will happen towards the end of this 10-day period, so we definitely could see some changes in these numbers as we move through the next 10 days. So your forecast during the next week and a half looking rather hot, as we'll see highs this week in the low to middle 90s. Lows will kind of settle into the middle 70s, and you can see each day next week we'll see that chance for the scattered storms, as highs will be in the upper 80s to low 90s, with lows easing back into the lower 70s.